Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A very cold start to our day, especially when you factor in blustering northwest winds that continue this morning. It seems like they just won't calm down at all. They should eventually by tonight, but that's leading to wind chills that are well below zero in some parts of the viewing area this morning, some places in the teens below zero. Doesn't get a whole lot better by this afternoon. Let's take a look at that future cast here. And again, cold, blustery conditions. That's probably the biggest story of the day today. We see some early morning clouds that will continue to kind of clear out from north to south, although may linger in the southern parts of the viewing area for much of the day. Meanwhile, as we're clearing things out, we actually see a little bit of an increase in clouds in northern Nebraska later on today, maybe even a few flurries associated with that, and that could even continue into the evening hours. But as high pressure builds in from the northwest, this is cold Canadian high pressure, skies will start to clear up, winds will relax a little bit, but that also means probably actual air temperatures a little bit colder than what we have out there this morning. The wind chills will still be a little bit colder out there, but the winds shouldn't be as strong, so we're not talking about wind chill advisory kind of weather, so not the -20 wind chills, but still wind chills down into the single digits and even teens below zero. And then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, but with that cold Canadian high pressure in full force, it's going to be a struggle to warm things up, so maybe a couple of degrees warmer for your Thursday. And as we get towards Thursday night, we'll watch an increase in clouds from the southwest, and some of those clouds could even spit out some flurries by the daytime hours of Friday. Again, struggling temperatures all day long today. Keep in mind, our average high is in the lower 50s. We will be a good 30 to 35 degrees below that in most spots today. Mid to upper teens and lower 20s up north. We'll see mid to upper teens only in the western part of the viewing area. Upper teens, lower 20s in the south. And real quick here for Grand Island, if we fail to reach 20 degrees today, that would be the first time in the month of November since back in 1996 that we have not reached a high of 20 degrees. For Hastings, that same story true. It would be 1993, the last time we failed to reach 20 degrees in the month of November. So this is how cold it is. This is going back a long way. So some very cold conditions. We're looking at highs low to mid 20s towards the east. But again, keep in mind our wind chills all day long won't get much above 10 degrees other than maybe in the southeastern part of the state. Again, struggling temperatures the next couple of days. Those overnight lows plunge. A little bit more cloud cover Friday, a little bit warmer actually, at least in the upper 20s. Flurries are possible. Cold front comes through on Saturday, so temps may actually drop late in the day, and we'll see a shot at some snowfall moving in. Big question is how much. Some forecast models a little more aggressive than others. Right now I would lean towards maybe the 1 to 2 inch range for many of us, maybe even less in some cases. If it goes a little more aggressive like some forecast models are going, maybe closer to the 3 or 4 inch range. So it still kind of remains to be seen exactly how much snow we'll see out of this, but it does look like a decent chance of snow on the way for Saturday into Saturday evening and Saturday night. Beyond that front, we actually clear out the skies quite a bit for Sunday through Tuesday, but it's already going to be cold behind that front. Factor in maybe a little bit of snow on the ground, and that could hold temps down even more. Hopefully getting back into the 30s and around the freezing mark by next Tuesday, and holding out hope that maybe towards the end of next week, most forecast models are showing this trend of very cold conditions breaking at least a little bit, maybe hopefully getting back into the 40s towards the end of next week. So again, we're stuck under this cold snap. There's nothing we can do about it. Hopefully you are bundling up, keeping warm when you step outside, because again, it can be dangerously cold, especially during the early morning hours at its coldest. So there's your forecast for this Wednesday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great day.